I'm in my 80s, and I don't really have a will.
Oh.
I have an old one, which, doesn't work anymore. All my children are over 50. I have stepchildren, adoptive children, and biological children.
Okay.
And I am really having a tough time doing a will because someone told me now that I'm not even sick or dead yet, and they're all fighting over what they're going to get. I just can't. My question is, can I have a will written where it's not out loud, like each person finds out what they're going to get, and nobody knows what anyone else got unless they ask them. Is that possible?
With a trust, you might be able to do that, but not with a will, because when you have a will,
that's what I mean.
A will becomes public record, and once it's public record, anybody can look at it. Now, Diane, you told me that you have an old will. It's not good anymore, but legally, it probably still is legally valid. So just because it's old does not make it invalid. And Diane, if they're arguing now, it would be even worse if you died without a clear estate plan. So you'd be doing them a big favor if you make it very clear what you want to have happen to your assets when you pass away.
Yeah, but I can't. Yeah, then I know that. I understand that there's going to be a big problem. But I just, don't want there to be a whole lot of division. Of course, I'll be gone, but I don't want there to be a whole lot of division. And, I do have some property. I have 4 houses that I have as vacation rental homes, which I'm going to be selling one per year if I live that long. And I know, but it's a revocable trust. I can change it anytime. That's the word for it?
When you hear about people talking about trusts out there, they're all talking about the same thing, a revocable living trust. That trust is for the purpose of avoiding probate, and it can be changed anytime that you want to, right up to the moment of your death.
Okay, so if someone really makes me mad, I can just change it. Is that correct?
Of course, yeah.
All right. Okay. And then I just heard the tail end of the ladybird. I'm not really sure what. I guess it's if someone just has one piece of property.
No, we would be using a ladybird deed for you as well on your 4 pieces of property. But Diane, this is what I want to emphasize. The best tool or way you have to avoid your children arguing with each other when you pass away, and it sounds like they might be that type, or end up never speaking to each other again, the best way for you to avoid that is by having a clear, crystal clear estate plan in place that is not open to interpretation, that will make things very simple and easy when you pass away, Diane. We'd love to assist you with that. We're the Olsen Law Group in Orlando. Diane, we assist clients throughout the state of Florida. We can do our initial consultation in person, over the phone. Diane, we'd love to take care of you. We appreciate it. And yes, we would be using ladybird deeds to avoid probate on your 4 properties.